Hello, the weekend is here and the weather is looking very different to the past few weekends. Much more cloud around and certainly quite a lot cooler. And yes, there's some wet and windy weather to contend with as well, especially for the first part of the weekend. Slowly but surely, the winds will be easing down, and for many, but not all, Sunday looks a lot drier and a lot brighter. What's going on? Well, low pressure is spinning in, but not from the Atlantic, from the northeast, which means the strongest winds are going to be across Scotland, initially western Scotland, but also Northern Ireland, northwest England, North Wales, seeing some gusty conditions on Friday night, and particularly close to that low pressure, the east coast of Scotland, gusts of 45 to 50 miles an hour, maybe on some exposed coasts, 55 miles an hour. Pretty unusual for this time of year. So it's going to be a windy start to the weekend, and for some a wet start as well. That weather front spiralling around the low, bringing persistent rain over northern Scotland on Friday night, and that will push into parts of Northern Ireland, through central and southern Scotland, and into parts of northern England, North Wales during the early hours, all the while accompanied by those strengthening winds. Further south, there'll be clear spells. Friday's showers tending to fade away. We'll keep some going across the southwest, and it is going to be fairly chilly as well. Temperatures down into single figures in towns and cities, rural areas well down into single figures. So it's a chilly start to Saturday, and over northern England, Northern Ireland, quite a wet start too. Quite quickly that rain will spread into North Wales. You can see the winds spiralling around the centre of that low pressure system, and close to this there'll be some very heavy showers throughout the day, some thunderstorms working their way across northeast England down to the Midlands towards East Anglia. The outbreaks of rain will push into southern England through the afternoon, but tending to break up that rain band here, so some parts may not see too much in the way of rain. The rain will persist over parts of the Highlands and Northern Ireland for most of the day, where it stays blustery. It gets windy too over southwest England and through the Dover Straits. It's got a gusty, cool day wherever you are, with one or two exceptions. With those northerly winds, a bit of shelter from the mountains, central and southern parts of Scotland should see some sunshine. And here, while temperatures could reach close to 20 degrees Celsius. But for many, we're looking at mid-teens at best, and that's in the brighter spells between the showers. When it's raining and with the wind, it'll certainly feel an awful lot cooler. Some of these showers likely to be quite heavy, as I said, with some thunderstorms over eastern England. They'll continue through Saturday evening, and then another band of rain starts to trickle south over eastern Scotland down towards northeast England for the start of Sunday. Still breezy in the west, but not as windy on Sunday. It's looking fairly cloudy over northeast England to start Sunday, and this area of cloud and outbreaks of rain will push over the Midlands, East Anglia, and eventually southeast England into the afternoon. So eastern parts especially still pretty dull and damp on Sunday, but further west it's looking like a much brighter day, although there'll still be a few scattered showers over the southwest. Still breezy and still on the cool side, but the winds will be not as strong as they will be first thing on Saturday, and with a bit more brightness it'll probably feel a little warmer, especially perhaps along the south coast. So Sunday, yes, those winds easing, but still breezy in places. Dry and brighter for most, but dull and damp over parts of central and eastern England for much of the day. Plenty going on then this weekend. Make sure you stay up to date with the very latest by following the Met Office on social media.